Hello friends, this is Veer from Saraswati classes, Narol. Friends, today's topic is probability. As you know that probability chapter is going on. Before this one we have seen so many examples of probability. Even the explanations and some important topics are discussed over here regarding probability. Friends, in today's lecture we have a new topic that is to be asked sometime in university examinations, in college examinations, even it is to be asked previously in 11th, 12th board examinations. The method is with replacement method and without replacement method in probability. Now what does this mean, friends? First of all, we should understand what is with replacement method and what is without replacement method. Now with the replacement method का मतलब ये होता है कि हमने जो भी कोई चीज़ ली हुई है फ्रॉम समवेयर एल्स, उसी चीज़ को यूज़ करके हम वापस उसको वहाँ अगर पुट अप कर देते हैं, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड विद रिप्लेसमेंट मेथड, राइट? सपोज आई हैव टेकन a chocolate, a pencil from a box, right? A red color pencil from the box. After using it, I put the same pencil in that box. The quantity of that box will not be decreased. It will not be increased, it will not be decreased, because the item whichever we have selected from that box had put again in that box. Your n number of results will remain the same, right? This is called with replacement method, and in with replacement method we should know that there should be no change at all in total number of results. Is it okay, friends? We will see the definition later on, but first of all I am just defining this thing in simple words कि हम जो भी वस्तु सिलेक्ट करते हैं, सिलेक्ट करके उसका यूज करके अगेन द सेम थिंग इज used and after the same thing after using that same thing we put the same thing in that box. That means with replacement method is applicable over there, right? So see the definitions. If a selected item is put up again in the same place from where it was picked up first, जो भी हमने आइटम सेलेक्ट की हुई है उस सिलेक्टेड की हुई आइटम को वापस हम जहां से सिलेक्ट किया है वहीं पर रख देते हैं यूज करने के बाद, then it is known as with replacement method. In this method there will be no change in total number of results. आपके जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिजल्ट्स हैं उनमें कोई चेंज आने वाला नहीं है. The second method is without replacement method. Now this is quite different from this one, because whatever we have selected first, the same thing is not put up again the same place from where we have selected it. What does it mean? कि हमने जो वस्तु उठाई है वो उठाई हुई वस्तु वापस वहाँ ना रखी जाए. So ऐसा करने से क्या होगा? Your number of results, जो total number of results, they will be decreased. How could you say? Because the selected item, whatever we have selected earlier on, that will not be put up again in the same place from where we have picked up. Means the number of items, either one or two or whatever you have selected, those items will remain vacant at that same place. That's why your n number of result will be changed. See the definition. In this method, the selected items does not put up there in the box from where it was picked up first. It may be thrown away or whatsoever. ठीक है? तो जो हमने आइटम सेलेक्ट की है उसको या तो सेलेक्ट करने के बाद, उसको यूज करने के बाद हम वापस वहाँ ना रख करके उसको या तो फेंक दें या फिर कुछ भी करें, लेकिन उसको वापस उस बॉक्स में ना रखें. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट method. And in this method I have discussed earlier on, your total number of results will definitely be reduced. Okay friends, so this is all about these two methods. I will come up to you with the illustration of this method later on. Till then just use this definitions of both of them and prepare this well. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो क्या हुआ, पसंद आया होगा. इसे कॉपी करिए, पेस्ट करिए और अच्छी तरह से क्या फिर उसको लिख के प्रिपेयर कीजिए. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, टिल देन बाय बाय.